Hi, my name's Ben from Hayes Products. Today we're looking at our Lifestyle Flail Mower range. Today we'll be demonstrating our Lifestyle 1100 and 1500. They're both the same specification, just different sizes. We also have a 1300 in our Lifestyle range. They're all rated 60 horsepower. The 1100 requires a minimum horsepower of 20, 1300 25, 1500 30 horsepower minimum. Weights range from 250 kilos, 270 kilos and 290 for the 1500. Blade shaft diameter is 108 millimeters, featuring SKF bearings and hammer blades as standard. Although the body design has been around for years and used by many manufacturers, that's where the similarities end. Our balancing on all of our range is far superior than most, balanced within 5 grams. Balancing isn't just about the balancing process, it's also about using correct blade shaft sizes to ensure the mower stays in balance. Wall thickness is also important, but can't be seen. A shaft with a wall thickness too thin will throw itself out of balance at operating RPM, causing vibrations, prematurely wearing out bearings and other components, even sending vibrations through your tractor if it's not balanced by someone that knows what they're doing with a balancing machine. We've worked closely with our engineers over many years of innovation. If we see an area that needs improvement, at Hayes, we get it done. Spiral blade shafts reduce horsepower requirements and also helps with balancing. Heavy-duty gearboxes, 4mm deck, backed by Hayes warranty, technical support, spare parts and spare parts backup. Although this is our flower mower we market towards lifestyle properties, it shares a lot of the technology we use on our contractor series. We have packed as much into it as possible while keeping the price reasonable. Who's this for? Small acreage properties, for customers looking for a good quality machine without breaking the bank. Some others might look great in the photos, but lack strong gearboxes, heavy-duty deck, and have substandard balancing. Often comparing weights will tell you the story. Okay, we're going to do a demonstration now with 2 tractors, with the 1100 and the 1500. The paddock we're doing today is very thick green couch grass. We're just heading into winter, and we could have waited till spring, early summer to do this demonstration. Grass at waist height, dry grass. That would look impressive, but it's actually not as hard to cut as this couch grass. A lot of locals describe it like cutting rope. So let's get to it and show you how they work. For more information, see our full specifications on our website, backed by Hayes warranty, spare parts backup, technical advice from our experienced team. Freight is available 5 days a week to all states at competitive rates, or pick up from our warehouse. See our website, hayesproducts.com.au, email us at sales@hayesproducts.com.au, 1300 4 Hayes, 1300 442 937.